Welcome to Innovation Intelligence, where your journey into the depths of market intelligence begins. Today, we're exploring graphical insights. In a world overwhelmed with data, clarity is your greatest asset. Here's how you can instantly create insightful charts. Let's say you want to analyze the investments in the fintech sector from 2018 to 2023. Just type your request in the chat bar. Please generate a bar chart of the investments in fintech from 2018 until 2023. Use purple color bars. Our AI will understand and process your needs in seconds. Now, move to step 2. Effortlessly manage your daily tasks. Type in your request for a deeper analysis. Our platform not only visualizes data, but also interprets it for you. For example, give me an in-depth analysis about the chart above. In moments, you receive a comprehensive analysis, unraveling intricate insights from the chart. Welcome to Innovation Intelligence, your business co-pilot for strategy and innovation.